Easy DIY red butterfly earrings, jewelry tutorial. Let's review the materials. 10mm red beads, 6mm red beads, a pair of butterfly charm, a pair of earrings hook, for piece of eye pins. Let's get started. Place all the red beads, including one 10mm and one 6mm bead, onto separate eye pins. Trim the excess length of the eye pin after inserting each bead. Repeat this step for each eye pin. I'll be using my round nose pliers, which have a built-in cutter. After cutting the excess, seal the other end by creating another loop using the same round nose pliers. Take 2 more red beads, each in for millimeters size, to modify the earring hooks. Take the earring hook and open the loop at the end of it. Remove the beads on it and replace them with the for millimeters bead. Repeat this step for both earring hooks. Use flat-end wire pliers to straighten the end of the earring hook, making it easier to put the bead on. Make sure to pull the long spring loop on the earring hook as well, as it doesn't look nice when combined with the red bead. Now, using the round nose pliers, make a loop back at the end of the earring hook. Use the other earring hook as a guide to determine the size of the loop back. I'll make the loop a little bit bigger than the original. Take the 10mm red bead on the eye pin and open one end, inserting the butterfly charm. Seal the loop back to avoid the butterfly charm from falling. Open the loop on the other end and combine the 6mm red bead in the eye pin. Close the loop back to secure it from falling out. After the combination, we can attach it to the earring hook. Seal it to secure it in place. One earring pair is complete. Let's repeat the same steps for the other pair. There we have it, our simple and easy red earrings with butterfly charm. Thanks for joining me in making these lovely red earrings with butterfly charm. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more DIY jewelry videos. Hit the like button if you found it helpful, and feel free to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or any questions you may have. Until next time, happy crafting!